recording. Just so you can see it.
This is the big bong 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 bong.
A big bong 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 bong.
It's the big bong 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 bong
bong,
bong.
You're so cute. Brittany's again in the shower. Everyone's like, nah.
We can't even touch it.
Milky. Everyone keeps stroking.
Permanently lit. We're supposed to
Yeah, go for it. It's like crazy hit. It's like weed. This is definitely way easier than smoking one night. You don't have to do anything. It's already there. It's like filling itself back up. It's ridiculous. You're like, It's like an automatic bong. We made an automatic bong. We've completely turned, like, we don't ever have to. I can't believe we finally made an automatic bong. How do you feel? This is history, maybe. Look at that, it's coming out. Awesome.